Hello, hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, night. We're back in the market tonight. It's looking very tasty. A lot of very nice things today. We had SMR, really like 6-7 things popping. So we're on the joint. We're looking to get rid of a few things today. We've got SMR. I already got rid of that on my brokerage, but we're looking to get out on the joint and on the Roth. So far so good. Yesterday was really crazy. We had a really big morning and it took back so big in the afternoon. It scared the crap out of everybody. I totally redirected my portfolio. Oh nice, I had BBAI in here. BBAI went up, but we didn't have it in the brokerage. So let's get rid of that. So today's looking really nice. A lot of these things yesterday that were just, they were hovering. Yeah, see, we made a bunch on this. We PDT. Really? I guess I bought that aftermarket or overnight. Last night. Okay. Can't get rid of Oklo. Upstart. We just started on Upstart, baby. Riot 2, I think. Oh no. Back to where it started earlier, I imagine. So yeah, we're doing extremely nice today. Very happy about how things have transpired so far. I would say most of my picks today, most of my picks yesterday, and the following days hitting off. We missed UEC, LIDR, Cypher, but that's alright. You can't win them all. But we did win most of them. Now, Oklo, insane MACD right now. Been that way. We might wait for that to go up a little bit more, but I'm not gonna be on this account watching. I'll take it at 151. Oh, we can't again. Okay. Alright, I guess we're holding you, Oklo. Now, my biggest move last night, and it freaked me out this morning, was buying $10,000 worth of Rocket Lab, because I didn't have the stock. I set it to buy on market open. We didn't have the stock, and the $10,000 was gone, and I couldn't find it anywhere. It took like 5 minutes for this to load in, and I was freaking out. I was just about to call Robinhood and be like, yo, where the hell? Because I had a working order in here. Let's see if it's right here. Right below this one. Yeah, I had a working order in. This order said working. And it had 0 quantity on it. This order didn't exist. So it was super strange. I was freaking out. So the reasoning for this is that my brother bought Rocket Lab at $4. He had thousands of Rocket Lab at $4. So you can only imagine how he's doing right now. Now, I was not privy to this. I think he told me when it was like 15. But, you know, it's not letting me know anything about the fundamentals of the company or whatever. I don't know. But now I'm a believer. Now I'm a believer. So we're going to be holding $10,000 worth of Rocket Lab. Because if I could only attain a fraction of what my brother has achieved with that, that would be splendid for me as well. So, that's that. Now, NNE was down. We were down like 6% on this. So it has come back. Our MACD is nice. RSI, we're a little over 70. Nice volatility. So I'm going to be watching that. We're definitely going to want to get in and out of that. Or I should say out and maybe back into that. We'll see. So things are simmering down now. We had a bunch of these over 100. Those are gone. Oklo, SMR. Yeah, SMR. We got rid of at like $42.99. $42.95. Went a little bit higher. $43.74. But that's alright. And then we got a bunch of things that we're looking to grab, like Rocket Lab. Now that we got 25k in the account, I would like to keep like half of it in each account in stuff that I'm seeing a big future for. Because, you know, yes, it's amazing to make money on the ups and downs. But like my brother, he doesn't have to do anything. He just literally watches Rocket Lab make him like tens of thousands of dollars every day if it goes up. So it's good to have these smart picks sitting there just making you money without having to do anything, you know? We had that situation going on. It's just in the manic frenzy of the past 3 months, we've flipped things out that probably shouldn't have been flipped out. But the market has changed, where money's moving, where it's not, what's stable, what isn't. So it worked out. We're up money, and I can always, you know, figure out where I want to allocate my foundational picks. One of them being Rocket Lab. So that's okay. I think it all works out for the better. Now, this is probably a good one to hold as well. A lot of these that I have, probably good to hold. NNE, Upstart, Symbiotic. But we'll have to see that. I gotta do some more research, dive a little deeper. Hood, definitely some Hood. Absolutely. And then, what about our downies today? We're down on gold? We're down on Bitcoin? That was another thing? I put in $1,000 to Bitcoin on like Wednesday. CIOQ, what are you going down for? One of the few around the VP that went down. AREC too. $3.99. AREC's probably maybe aftermarket or after midday. The rest of these will come up, I imagine. Oh, excuse me. So it's 10:23. We made a decent amount today. I can't complain because, to be honest, I've been really feeling that we're going to be taken back this week. But it's possible, maybe today. These are all headed down. Count was up 750, 800. So it's definitely losing a little bit of momentum here. Iron. I don't like holding iron. But it still didn't have its rocket though. It didn't rocket off. This is all fighting, fighting, sideways. But very good indicator though that will continue up. So we're gonna hold those. It had its little spike today. That's okay. So, biggest thing, I'm very happy we hit 25k. We are now able to day trade, which is wonderful. There does seem to be conditions, like yesterday I was able to day trade, then I wasn't able to day trade. And I think it was because when the market closed, the account went a little bit under 25. And then it like locks in your amounts. When you got opening and closing, it like locks in the account values you have. So I wasn't able to day trade after the market yesterday, which sucked. I was able to trade during the market. That was nice, but There was a few more things I wanted to get out of, but maybe I wouldn't have them today if that happened, so it worked out. Now, NNE, we did have 6,000 locked away in. That was the only reason I wanted to try to flip that ASAP, because it's been down. But I'm looking at the MACD and the RSI and the RVI, and I'm thinking it was gonna pop today. I guess it did, but that's a small one. Then again, I wasn't at the all the way down here. You know what I mean? I'm right here. We're only a little bit above that, which I might get rid of it. Reminding myself of that fact. Holy shit. And we're gonna watch it go down? Damn, I should have sold when that was at 100. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. But maybe you still should. I mean, we're green though. All the other ones I'm selling, they keep going up. The one I need to keep going up, it's fighting. So we're gonna wait. We'll be patient. We'll be patient. Don't get scared. Don't get freaked out. Oh, good. It went back down. SMR. Now drop it in. Yesterday, executed 34 trades. You can see a lot of the stuff we got today was bought yesterday. Did sell a lot of this stuff as well, but picked up a bunch of things that did pretty well today, or I expect to be doing pretty well. So big day yesterday, gonna be a pretty good day today as well. As long as we stay above this bar here, I'm happy. A happy camper. So we'll be watching NNE. We'll be taking a look at all our picks that we made from yesterday and everything else. We'll see what we need to get out of, and we will report our findings a little bit later. I appreciate you all tuning in. May your troubles be less, your blessings be more. Nothing but happiness comes straight through your door, my friends. Take care.